there's no one that actually bought them there. They're just there for props to make the place look really sort of genuine.
That's almost.
I know that. I know that. They're lovely, aren't they? Pips. And more. And more props. Do you know what though? This is how a station should look. This is a proper station. It's like when I was growing up, they used to look like this, and they used to have people you bought your ticket off and all, not some sort of robot. It's not really backwards at all. No, shut up, I don't want to hear anymore.
It's like, because this is how it looked in the first place, this is how it should look. Well, no, because that impedes progress.
No. Sometimes you've got to stick to, this is England. You know, you've got to keep British. You can't go all modern and become generic like the rest of the world.
It's England is because we're proud of the fact that we used to be a really big power when we were a complete arsehole, and now because we're a complete pushover, we don't like it, so we're just clinging to this is England, but it's not really England. It's just nicer than being a complete pushover and America's bitch.
Are you still going on?
Yes, I'm still going on.
God dear, women. You women. Bird's Nest Buffet.